Hi, Aryaka right here. Have you ever blown bubbles out? It is like the most interesting phenomena in fluid dynamics. Look, as a physics lover, I should say we can do even more interesting thing than that. Bubble with a hole. Okay, I know that sounds like a clickbait, but believe me, it is going to be the most interesting thing you are going to see on the internet today. Alright, check this out and try this yourself. So I have a square frame made out of straws. Now I'm going to dip it in a soap solution. And as expected, you're going to see a thin film of soap between the inner boundary of square frame. Okay, the fun part. I'm going to put a loop of thread that I made over the film. And so I am going to poke the soap film inside the loop. And bam! A perfect circle is formed on the film. How did that happen? So in this experiment, there was a soap film. It acts like a stretch membrane so as to occupy the minimum area as possible. But when we put a loop of thread onto the film and poke it, then we see that there's a perfect circle forming on the film. That is because a circle is the only shape in the world which acquires the maximum area. That is why the area of the thread loop increases, which automatically decreases the area of the film. See, the area of the entire film was A squared, which is 462.25 centimeters squared. Now the area of the circle is pi r squared, which I found to be 7.15 centimeters squared. Now with the poked through circular thread, the total area of the soap film becomes 462.25 minus 7.15, which equals to 455.10 centimeters squared. And as you can see, the area of the film with the poked through circular thread is less than the area without the thread. And this phenomenon is known as surface tension. It is the same reason why water tends to stick to the surfaces but mercury does not, or how bugs tend to float onto the surface of water. If there is any question or correction, please comment down and subscribe. And thanks for watching.